Welcome to 529 Cliffview Road, a beautiful 4-bedroom executive home with 4 washrooms situated within a newer enclave of Pickering's sought-after West Shore neighbourhood. Through the portico's arched entry is an extended height front door framed with decorative sidelights, opening into a main level showcasing dark hardwood flooring, high ceilings with gorgeous contemporary chandeliers and pot lighting, as well as the finishing details of wainscoting, deep crown moldings, and California shutters throughout. All the principal living spaces are generous in their size and filled with an abundance of natural light streaming through their windows. The elegantly combined formal living and dining rooms have oversized entries between them and from the main hallway, while the high ceiling enhances their open, airy feel. And the dining room has the added benefit of direct access from the kitchen for entertaining convenience. The spacious ceramic-tiled entrance foyer has a main double coat closet close at hand. A secondary closet can be found just off the reception hall, convenient for the entry to and from the double-car garage, which is off a sunken ceramic-tiled landing where a powder room with pedestal sink is nestled away for privacy from the principal spaces. As elegant as the formal rooms, the family room features a gas fireplace, its mantel finished with stone accents, while above it is a media niche. And this informal entertaining space is open to the superb kitchen area. Featuring stainless steel appliances including a 5-door fridge, stove with dual ovens and a gas cooktop, and a built-in dishwasher, the kitchen additionally showcases stone counters, a tiled backsplash, ceramic flooring, espresso-colored cabinetry, as well as a center island with breakfast seating and a double undermount sink. The breakfast area has a vaulted ceiling, and from here, as well as the space bridging the kitchen and family room, are walkouts onto a raised balcony, extending the entertaining to the outdoors during the warm weather months. This home also has hardwood stairs leading to a ceramic-tiled landing in the lower level, which is unfinished and has great potential for additional living space with walkout access onto a covered patio. The dark stained oak staircase to the upper level is finished with wrought iron pickets, and the wainscoting along its wall is continued throughout the upper hallway, which additionally features hardwood flooring, deep crown moldings, and pot lighting. This level also has high ceilings and extended height room entries throughout, California shutters in all 4 bedrooms and the 3 washrooms, while the washrooms also have vanities with quartz counters and undermount basins. All the bedrooms additionally feature broadloom for cozy warmth, with the 2nd and 3rd bedrooms having ample closet space, as well as shared access to a Jack and Jill washroom with a ceramic-tiled floor and walk-in shower area. Arched windows with a west-facing exposure are found in both the 3rd and 4th bedrooms, which are across the hall from each other, while at the end of the hallway between these 2 rooms is a lovely niche space ideal as a home office, study room, or sitting area featuring a vaulted ceiling with a chandelier. Across from the linen closet is the convenience of a laundry room with a tiled floor, washer and dryer, stainless steel sink, and cabinetry storage. While completing the common area of this level is the 4th bedroom. Ideal as a guest suite, this bedroom is quite spacious and features a double closet, a wall of windows with a raised ceiling above the arched transom, as well as a 4-piece ensuite with a ceramic-tiled floor and bath area. A double-door entry opens into the serenely beautiful and incredibly spacious master suite. Showcasing a deeply coffered ceiling with a contemporary light fixture, a wall of east-facing windows, and a large walk-in closet, this bedroom has a spa-like ensuite washroom featuring his and her vanities as well as a separate makeup vanity, an oversized shower with glass door and marble accents, ceramic flooring, a freestanding tub, and a water closet. while east-facing windows also offer views of nearby Lake Ontario. Walking distance to highly rated Frenchman's Bay Public School, as well as the waterfront trails of Cliffview Park, Petticoat Creek Conservation Area, and Rotary Frenchman's Bay West Park. This home is also just a short drive to the Pickering Town Centre Mall, the GO Station, and has easy access to Highway 401, as well as being close to the shopping, entertainment, and waterfront enjoyment of Frenchman's Bay's beautiful community along Lake Ontario. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 416-704-7448.